question of what is consciousness from traditional psychology and what is consciousness from a quantum psychology perspective, well, they're universes apart. So, first, difference between traditional psychology and quantum psychology. There's something much bigger here than just an animal that's advanced only through the evolutionary changes that is physical, and any issues with mind are really of a chemical nature or a habitual nature. It's not that the things that traditional psychology has used do not help. They do. Often they help very, very effectively. And yet, it's still a limited view of the potential of a human being from the quantum psychology perspective. Quantum psychology looks at us as consciousness that is encoded into an experience of seeing life and senses and enjoyment and sorrow and pain and awe and gratitude. We couldn't really experience those things if we were all the same, just energy in a field, energy not doing anything, energy not experiencing anything, energy not seeking information. A very interesting interview that I listened to probably about a couple months ago talked a little bit about this idea that we are in a simulated universe. And the interviewer said to the scientist that was being interviewed, so really then reality is just a simulation? It's really just like a video game? And he said, no, we are in the mind of the universe. We are part of that mind. So much more than a simulation as a video game. I'm Dr. Margaret Evanow, world's premier quantum psychologist, bringing you just a new information, a little tidbit of what quantum psychology has to offer you.